Last week we talked about eye safety and eclipse glasses, but there are ways to indirectly view an eclipse too. Because we're indirectly viewing the eclipse, we're not looking directly at the sun, so it's totally safe. So the most common indirect way to view an eclipse is what's called with a pinhole projector or pinhole camera. What you do is you have a piece of cardboard or a piece of cardstock, you put a hole in it, and you see that the image of the sun is showing through the hole onto a piece of white cardboard or other white object. During the eclipse, you'll actually see the sun changing shape as the moon covers it more and more. You'll see the crescent sun. And then you can use household options like colanders, where you can have multiple images of the sun. You can make your own designs, you can spell your name, you can put in a smiley face. Another thing you can do to make a pinhole projector is use a box, like a soda box or a cereal box. You cut a hole in it to look through, you cut another hole with some aluminum foil, you put some white paper in there, and you're able to see the shape of the sun changing during the eclipse. Next week, we'll talk about what to think about as you prepare for April 8th.